What's good, my posh gang? I'm coming to you today with another makeup tutorial. Yes, aren't you guys excited? Because I am. I just purchased this new palette. It's new to me, but I'm sure it's old to a lot of you vets in the game with this makeup that stuff here. But I'm gonna try my Revolution palette, Revolution London palette, and these colors here are so beautiful, guys. Look at this. The colors are so vibrant looking. I can't wait to try them. And what I love about this palette is they have the names listed on the front here. So I'll be able to tell you guys the name of the colors that I'll be using today. So let's get started with this look. I don't know what I want to do today. I don't know if I want to do like a electric blue with this Newton. That's pretty, but we're gonna work this thing here out. We're gonna work it out. So let's get started. Y'all stay tuned to this glamorous look I'm about to hook up. Try to hook up. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, my face is already done. This is actually, and I shouldn't be doing this. This is up. I've been wearing this foundation all day and it's kind of oily, but I did go back in and kind of powder it up to get the oily look away from it. That's probably not a good thing, but I want to get this video out because I want to try this palette. So again, my foundation has already been laid, so I'm just going to start with the eyes today, and I'm going to prime like I always do with my PLouise Rumor 2. As you can see that, PLouise Rumor 2. This is a great primer, by the way. If you haven't tried it already, then you should. Yes, okay. Let me get the right brush that I want to use. So I'm just going to prime my eye. My eyes, not my eye, but both eyes. With my Rumor 2. And I'll have a listing of all of the products that I'll be using in the description as normal. And in the description, if I can talk correctly, as normal in the description below. All of the products that I'll be using will be listed below. But I'm going to try to talk you guys through this look with everything that I'm using, the colors and all. So I'm gonna go in with this this Newton here. I like thus far. It's kind of powdery here on the palette, but once you put it on your eyes, there isn't much fallout. That's a great thing. I want it to be darker. Look how vibrant that is, guys. That's pretty. I love it already. And I thought I was gonna have to use a white base to make this a little bit more vibrant, but this is pretty awesome without it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so I think I want to go in with a black to deepen that crease just a little bit, because I think I want to do a cut crease today. Yes, a cut crease. Y'all look at that. That is so pretty. You see that? I'm loving it. Y'all know how I am about my blending. So now I'm gonna cut that crease. Cut that crease, and I'm gonna go back in with my PLouise to cut that crease. Moving on, and I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup. And now for my favorite lashes from my girl, Sincerely Dominique. You can find her on Instagram at Sincerely Dominique. I have her link in the description below. Actually, her Instagram name in the description below. But these are my favorite lashes. I could not tell you the name of them, but they are beautiful, gorgeous. 3D Mink lashes. If you contact her, she'll be able to tell you which ones these are. But I love these lashes, and I have been using them for quite some time now. I need to purchase more. So Dominique, I'll be hitting you up soon, girl. And I'm just going to use my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. This is my go-to lip liner, Chestnut MAC. Now I'm going to use my Tardius. And the color, I don't know what color this is. I cannot see this. I've had this for quite some time. Also, I'm just going to line my lips with this. For my gloss, this is a new purchase. I just purchased this Saturday. This is NYX or NYX or however you want to call it. Lingerie gloss in the color LLG07. I'll have this in the description. All both of them in the description below. But I love this. Just like a little nude color. Okay guys, here you have it. I don't know why my eye is trying to water right now. I don't know why, but it's watering. But anyway, here you have it. I have this electric blue look that I tried with a little bit of black going on here. But as you can see, it's just a little something that I tried. I want to try, like I said, I want to try out the Revolution London. I think it's called Revolution Makeup London. I don't know. No, here it is. It's the Forever Flawless palette. And when I tell you guys, this palette is gorgeous. I love it. So if you don't have it, you must try it. Again, I just used the Nupton blue out of here, and I went into my Maybelline palette, and I used the white out of this, and I'll have this in the description below. When I tell you this palette here is so old, it is so old, and I just found it, and I said I wanted to try that white out in that. So yeah, again, here you have it, the final look. I hope you guys like it. Nothing very just something really simple with blue, nothing over the top. And again, I don't know what's going on with this eye, but it wants to water. Okay, well, again, here's the look. Hope you like it. The hubby is calling me. I don't know if you guys can hear that. He has cooked dinner while I accomplish this look. So I'm going to go and I want to eat, and stay tuned for another look, guys. Yes, and for 2019, we're about to go in. We're going hard. 2019, 2020. So get ready. We're going to be going in with a lot of makeup tutorials and just a lot of different things that I have lined up for you guys. So stay tuned if you're interested, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.